Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome to our video lecture. Students, today we will complete section C and then start section D. Students, pay attention. The first question is define weighted mean, which we have already considered. But as such, the topic of weighted mean and combined mean has been removed from the syllabus, so no need to do. Explain what is meant by a measure of central tendency. Okay, students, pay attention. Our next question is explain what is meant by a measure of central tendency. A measure which indicates central value of the given data, or a measure or a central value around which the given data observations are, you can say, situated. A central value around which we have the data observation is called a measure of central tendency. So we have already defined a measure of central tendency indicates a central value around which the given data observations are lying. Then students state the advantages of mode. Here it is clearly given, but as such we have four basic advantages of mode. The first one, the definition of mode is very easy and simple to understand. Second, mode can be merely found out by inspection. Second, mode can be merely found out by inspection. Third, mode is not affected by the highest and lowest observation of the given data. And fourth, mode can be obtained graphically. What is, students, the fourth advantage? Then students, I can say that mode can be obtained graphically. So section C we are doing. Once again, students, four advantages of mode. The definition of mode is simple and easy to understand. Second, mode can be merely obtained by inspection. For ungrouped data, the observation repeated maximum number of times is nothing but mode. Third, mode is not affected by too large and too small observation. And fourth, mode can be, students, obtained graphically. So these are the four basic advantages of mode. Then combined mean is not there. Which type of data have median as a better measure of central tendency than mean? First, when the data is qualitative. Second, when the frequency distribution has open-ended classes. Whenever we have an open-ended frequency distribution, median is a better measure. So in two cases, median is a better measure than mean. First is that when the given data is qualitative. Second, students, when the given data or the given frequency distribution has open-ended classes. Then sixth, what are the factors to be considered while choosing an appropriate average? Students, all of you pay attention. While choosing an appropriate average, students, we are given this on. I will tell you, students, in textbook, this is given on. Students, pay attention. These are specially theoretical points which we have to remember. Students, especially what factors are to be considered when we choose an average. Students, pay attention on page 112. The selection of average depends upon the following factors. First is the nature of the data, what type of data is given. Then the nature of variable involved, whether it is discrete or continuous. Third, the purpose of study, for what purpose we are studying the data. Fourth, the type of classification used, whether it is, you can say, simple or multiple classification. And fifth, the use of average for further statistical analysis. These are 5 points given on page number 112 about summary. Students, this you have to only remember. Okay, students, now from sum number 7 we are calculating on the board. Mean and mode of a variable are 5.5 and 6.4. Mean x bar. Okay, students, answer 7. Given are mean x bar and mode m0. Mean is given as 5.5 and mode is given as 6.4. Mode m0 is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. 6.4 is equal to 3m minus 2 into 5.5. So 5.5 will be into 2 will be 11. 11 plus 6.4, so 17.4 is equal to 3m. So m will be 17.4. Students, divided by 3, and that comes out to be 5.8. So median of the given data is, students, 5.8. Okay, next question, students. The geometric mean of two numbers is 8. One number is 4. Find the other number. Okay, students. Geometric is G is equal to 8. Say one number is 4 and B is the other number. Then, students, we have to find B. Geometric mean, students, of two numbers is 8. One number is 4. Then, students, we are told to find the other number. Okay, students, now all of you must carefully understand this, that if it is two numbers, then geometric mean is square root of product of A into B. Three numbers, then cube root of A into B into C. So 8 is equal to under root of 4 into B. To remove square root, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, 64 is equal to 4B. So B is equal to 64 by 4. And that is nothing but 60. So the other number is 60. Now, students, pay attention. Mean weekly production of a factory is 81 units. Answer 9. Mean weekly production. So, mean is x bar is equal to 81. Find the mean production cost if cost is given by variable y is equal to 3 into x plus 50, plus 50. So original variable was x. We have multiplied x by 3 and added 50 and we got y. So this is y and this is x. So students, y bar will be 3 into x bar plus 50. So it will be 3 into 81 plus 50. So this is 2. 43 plus 50 and so this is 290. That is the answer. Now, students, we are doing sum number 10. Now, students, we are doing sum number 10. The median of observation a minus 5, a plus 1, a plus 2, a minus 3 and a is 10. Then students, we have to find the value of a. Okay students, now while finding median or while finding positional measures students, while finding median students or while finding positional measures, we have to arrange the observation students in ascending order. Now considering A as positive students, the least value section C answer number 10 students, all of you please pay attention. Considering A as positive, increasing order of xi, the least will be a minus 5, then a minus 3, then a, then a plus 1, and highest will be a plus 2. So we are given 5 observations. This you should understand. If you don't understand, then take a is equal to 20. Check. You will get it. Now, median is 10. Now, this is ungrouped data. Median n is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. So, median is 10. N is 5. 5 plus 1, 6 by 2. So, third observation. And that is itself it. So, answer of A will be 10. Correct students, pay attention here. To find median, we have to arrange the observation in ascending order. So the least value will be a minus 5 and the highest value will be a plus 2. Now this is ungrouped data observation, so median n is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th observation, and this is nothing but value of third observation. Third observation is A. So directly students we get A is equal to 10. Now students, the sums of combined mean and sums of weighted mean has been removed from our syllabus. We have already done exercise 3.2, that is fair. But now from exercise 3, we will not do students the sums of combined mean. Okay students, now our next question is sum number 12. The number of vehicles or families residing in a certain area are given in the following table. Find mean number of vehicles. Now this question is very easy students. I am just helping you to do the basic calculations, then you complete your homework. This is a discrete frequency distribution where xi and fi are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 2, 4, 9, 7, 3. Now make the column of Fixi, which is 0, 4, 18, 21 and 12, and total xi total not there, n is equal to 6 and 9, 15, 15 and 10, 25. Fixi total, this is 22, 22 and 21, 43, 43 and 12, 55. So we go by simply direct method, mean x bar is equal to sigma fi psi upon n. So 55 upon 25. So whatever you get, that is your answer, students. So this type of sums are very easy, students. You can easily do this type of question, students, on your own. And I think back they have given median, and in the question they have told to find mean. Okay, you find median also, students. That is also very easy. So I think there is a printing error in the question. It should be to find median, but then also, students, this is going to be very, very easy. But we will go with the question. We have found out median. Okay, students, now sum number 13 is excluded. Weighted mean is excluded. Now, students, we start section B. State the characteristics of an ideal average. Students, we have already done on the starting of the chapter, students. These characteristics I will tell you we have already discussed, and these are given on students page number 69. What are the characteristics of an ideal average? It should be well defined and rigid. Rigid means the definition should be perfect. It should be easy to understand and calculate. It should be based on all the observations of the data. It should be suitable for algebraic manipulation. It should be a stable measure, that also we have discussed. And it should not be unduly affected by a few large or few small observations. This is given on page number 69. Now define geometric mean. Suppose a1, a2, a3 up to n are n positive numbers. The nth root of the product of numbers a1 to an is defined as geometric mean. Explain the use of mode as a measure of central tendency. Students, such type of theoretical questions we don't have to do. So do not worry, students. Question 3 and question 3 you strike out, that will not be asked in exam. Explain the positional averages briefly. Median is the positional average. Median is the value of observations located in the middle when the observations are arranged in ascending order. Then quartiles divides the data arranged in ascending order into 4 equal parts. The 3 quartiles defined are Q1, Q2, Q3. Deciles divides the data arranged in increasing order into 10 equal parts. The 9 deciles defined are D1, D2 up to D9. All this we have done. Percentiles divides the data arranged in ascending order into 100 equal parts. And the 99 percentiles defined are P1, P2, P3 up to P99. Then questions 5 and 6 also, students, we have to strike off questions 5 and question 6 also, students, we have to strike off. And students, 7th sum we have already done. I remember very well, students, 7th sum. I have taught students when we have done exercise 3.3, that is geometric mean. So students, we start with the 8th sum. Students, we start with the 8th sum of section B. 7th sum, you check, students, we have already done, students, this sum. Now, sum number 8 of section B. There is a discrete frequency distribution of number of phones which is xi. Number of phones which is xi, and number of days is fi. 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. And F5 is 3, 9, 15, 23, 8 and 2. Okay, to find positional measures we have to always name the column of students CA5. 3 plus 9, 12 plus 15, 27 plus 3, 50, 58 and 60. So the total of frequency is 60. We have to find D7 and P50. Okay, now in the list of formula, whenever we have written the formulas of quartiles, percentiles and deciles for discrete distribution, we wrote same as ungrouped. So D7 is equal to value of 7 into n plus 1 by 10th observation. So 61 by 10. So value of 7 into 6.1 observation. So this is value of 42.7 observation. 42.7 is covered in CA550, corresponding exile is 8. So D7 is 8 phones. Then students, P15 is equal to value of 15 into n plus 1 by 100th observation. So this is equal to value of 15 into 0.61 observation. So multiplying this comes out to be 9.15 observation value. Sorry. Now 9.15 is covered in 12 and corresponding exile 6. So P15 is equal to 6 phones. So students, what is the interpretation? Therefore, the data is regarding daily sales of mobile phones in a shop. So what is the interpretation? D7 is equal to 8. Therefore, the sale of mobile phones for 70% of the days is less than or equal to 8. What interpretation, students, I am writing here? Interpretation. D7 is equal to 8. Therefore, sales of phones for 70% of the days is less than or equal to 8. Now P15 is 6. So sales of phones for 15% of the days is less than or equal to 6. Easily you can write. Sales of D7, so 70%, D4, then 40%, D8, then 80%, like that. P15, so sales of phones for 15% of the days is less than or equal to 6 phones. Okay, so for P15 students, I have not written the interpretation, you can easily write. Now students, sum number 8. Now students, sum number 8 we are doing, students. All of you please pay attention. Our next is to do sum number 8. Now, the mean perfume content in bottles filled by a perfume manufacturing machine should be between 29.6 ml and 30.4 ml. The 7 bottles tested the following perfume content. Okay. So, is the machine working properly or not? Mean perfume content must be always between these two limits according to D1. So I am doing sum number 9. Mean x bar should be between 29.6 ml and 30.4 ml. Now the 7 waters tested at the following perfume content. Is the machine working properly or not? We will find the mean of these 7 observations. So given 7 observations xi are 30.2, 28.9, 29.2, 30.1, 29.4, 31.3 and 31.4. Now students, we are finding mean for 7 observation and check whether the mean lies between this or not. Mean x bar is equal to summation xi upon n. So if I add all these observations, 30.2 plus 28.9 plus 29.2 plus 30.1 plus 29.4, 31.3 plus 31.4 divided by 7, then this total works out to be 210.5 itself. And finding the mean, we are getting the mean as 30.07 ml. So if your mean is between these two values, then the machine is working properly. Of course, 30.07 is inside 13.4. So we can definitely say that the machine is working properly. So final answer, machine is working properly. Absolutely right, students, because the mean content of perfume in the bottles must be between 29.6 ml and 30.4 ml, which is already there, students. So sum number 10, I think we have done. Sum number 10 and sum number 10 has been excluded, so we have not to do. Now students, we are doing sum number 11. Okay. Now students, we are doing sum number 11. Combined sums have been left out from your syllabus, so we are now not doing, students, the sums of combined mean. Now students, mean of 50 observation is 35. 11 sum. Mean of 50 observations is 35. Later on it was known that one observation 50 was wrong. So wrong observation is 50. Find the mean of remaining observation by excluding the wrong observation. This wrong observation, students, we have to remove. Now students, mean x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. Therefore, sigma xi will be nx bar 50 into 35. So 5 5 is 25. So this is 175. Now students, remove 50. So corrected sigma xi, corrected sigma xi will be 1750 minus 50. So 1700. And number of observations from 50 changes to 49. So corrected x bar will be 1700 divided by 49 and it comes out to be 34.69. So the answer is 34.69 students. This is also very simple and easy to understand students. I think this type of sums you have done in your 9th and 10th standard. Now students, concentrate. 3 students from a group of 18 students failed in the examination of economics and the marks obtained by 15 students who passed are as follows. Find the median marks of all 18 students. Now those who have failed would have definitely, you can say, scored less than the students who have passed. Yes or no? So let us suppose that ABC is the increasing order of marks of 3 students who have failed. Suppose this is 18, this is 24 and this is 27. Now those who have passed, I am writing the increasing order of those who have passed. 42, 43, 48. 42, 43, 48. Then students, 50, 51, 53, 55. 50, 51, 53, 55. Then students, 57, 61, 64. 57, 61, 64, 65. Then students, 68, 70, 75. 68, 70, 75 and the highest is 79. So total are 18 students. Now find median marks of all 18 students. Now students, median M is equal to value of, this is student sum number 12. Median M is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. So n is 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 is 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. So take the average of 9th and 10th observation. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 53 plus 55 by 2. So it is 54 marks. That's all students. This is your answer. So median marks of all students is